Hello. Well, it's been a long time since my last update, maybe about 3 months, and I've finally gotten things to work in a sort of reasonable way in terms of my CNC router project. And so what I've gotten to is I'm able to connect to my machine. I'm actually able to initialize it, and my user interface actually shows correctly that it's powered down, powered up, and homed and homing, and then I can stop it and start it and actually now display that I'm actually connected. So what I have here on the right hand side is my user interface and a little I'm streaming out log data that's coming over from the PLC. And on the left hand side I have my PLC software, and so I am going to go ahead and start her up. So it's a cold start for the PLC. It takes a few minutes for the network connection to go through its little state machine and connect. You can see here it is now connected, and I'll switch over to the video cam so you guys can see. There's my garage, and now I can power it up, hit start, and you can see the messages going by. So now the axes are powered up, and I will now try homing the x-axis, and you can see the messages go by as x-axis homes. First, of course, it's moving back, so you can see in the left hand side back to its home position, or it's trying to find it at least, and it'll get there shortly. Oh, there it goes. It's finding pulse, and here you have the commands being executed to do the gantry home, and now we have a green, which means it is homed. And now I can do the y-axis, and it's doing the same thing. It's going over to the home position, looking for the deceleration switch, and knowing to know it's at the end of the axes, and then come back and find the reference pulse on the encoder. And there we go. And now y-axis is homed, and as promised, if I had been worried, I could always hit stop, and it powers down the machine, and it reboots, comes back up in a few seconds. Here we go. It's reconnected, and then we could home again if we wanted to. Oh, no, it doesn't like that. So I should start the axes first. Power them up. Now I'll home it. And there we go.